Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Public Bank online banking. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Public Bank website or launch the My PB mobile application. Look for the prominent Login button, typically found at the top right of the page, and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your unique user ID into the provided field. Ensure you type it carefully to avoid errors. After entering your user ID, the system will display your personal security phrase. Always confirm this phrase matches what you set up to ensure you are on the legitimate public bank site. Next, input your password into the secure field. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive. You might also need to complete additional security prompts, such as entering a one-time password or OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Upon successful login, you will land on your account summary page. Here, you can view your balances and recent transactions. Explore the navigation menu to access different banking services, such as funds transfer, bill payments, or fixed deposit placements. Always ensure you are using a secure connection and log out properly after completing your banking activities. Your financial security is paramount when managing your accounts. If you encounter any login difficulties, such as a forgotten password or user ID, please contact Public Bank customer service immediately for assistance. They can guide you through the recovery process. Remember to always keep your login credentials confidential and never share them. For more great financial insights, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Stay safe online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.